Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your PC 10 times faster. So just come on your keyboard and press window, then R, then you need to type ms config. I have it guys, then you press OK. So this will pop up, then just go to the boot section, then advanced options. So on this part you just need to click on the number of processors, then adjust it to the maximum number of processors that you have on your PC. So in my case, the maximum number of processors that I have is 4, so I'll adjust it to 4. I know some will have 8, yeah, and so forth, yeah, and so on. So after adjusting to the maximum number of processors that you have or your PC has, then just click OK, then apply, then OK. So you'll need to restart so that the setting that you have just changed to be applied on your PC. So you just click the restart button. So just click the restart button. So guys, that's it on how to make your PC 10 times faster. Yeah, so remember to like, share, subscribe for more tutorials. So thank you for watching. Bye.